Spices. So in today's video, we are going to be making some chicken quarters. Now, the problem that I have is I put them in my fridge thinking they would thaw out by now, and I checked them today and they are still frozen, but since we are going to cook it in our air fryer, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to throw them in frozen and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's go spice things up. So I have 3 leg quarters and they are frozen. They did not fully thaw out, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put them right in my air fryer. And if you can see, I'm starting to kind of run out of room, but I have 3 of them. So I am just gonna put that right on top. Air fryers, it really doesn't matter if they're kind of touching. If like the meat or anything is touching, it is just fine. Anyways, these are frozen, so I am not going to put anything on them yet. No seasonings, because I want to basically start thawing them out in a way. So now we're gonna take our basket and put it right into our air fryer. Just like this. And I'm gonna turn it on. I'm actually gonna cook it for 15 minutes at 385. Press start. Okay, it turned off. I'm gonna open it up. All right, so if you can see, it's a little golden brown. They are starting to cook nicely. So I'm just gonna turn them over. And remember, they are partially frozen, which means, well, pretty much frozen all the way. So we are just gonna turn them over so they can cook on both sides. Okay, so I just turned them over, but now it is time to add some seasoning. So I'm gonna add this maple bourbon barbecue spice and just all over. It's a rub. Okay, now back into the air fryer it goes. Same amount of time, 15 minutes, 385. Start. All right, we're gonna open it up. Ooh, look at this, guys. It is looking pretty nice and golden. I'm gonna turn them over again. Since they were frozen originally, I want them to fully cook in the inside. So on the other side, I am gonna add the seasonings as well. And then remember, with like chicken thighs and stuff, there's already a lot of grease, so I didn't need to add any oil to it. So now, since these were fully frozen, I'm gonna throw them in again at the same time, 15 minutes at 385. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at how pretty this is. Nice and golden brown and crispy. They are done. So these chicken quarters were a hit. My son does not really love chicken all that much, but he's like, Mom, these were the bomb. They were so good. You have to make them again. So trust me, your kids are gonna love it. Your whole family's gonna love it. They are so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, and see you in the next video.